Ito yung order ni annoying husband. Yung beef noodles. Let's try. Kasi gusto mag-noodles ni annoying husband. Gusto mo yung noodles mo? Happy? Yung kabilaan katabi din ng hotpot. Ang sarap din doon. Eh?
Ha? Anong hotpot?
Yung katabi ng hotpot na kinakain.
Vietnamese yun, noodle soup.
Ang sarap din, di ba? Yes, thank you so much.
Oh, there is hot.
Yeah, hot tea.
Like that.
Ang ganda na. Pang hot water. So, ito yung akin. Stir fry. Stir fry noodles. Nag-order tayo ng tea and egg. Yung beef noodles na ano yung husband. Let's eat! Try natin tong tea first. Oh, init. Yum, sweet. Yummers. Mix natin yung